Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to uninstall WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to uninstall WhatsApp on your phone, first you can try two ways. Now in order to proceed to try the first one, open up your menu and go to the WhatsApp app. You can see and tap and hold on the WhatsApp over here, and there will be the uninstall button available for you, and tap on it and then it will be uninstalled. Or you can open up the settings of your phone, and after that you will be required to go to the apps section. So scroll down and you can see the apps, tap on it, and you can see the app management, which is the first one. Tap on app management, tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp over here. And over here you can see there is the uninstall button available for us over here just beside the first stop. Tap on it, uninstall, and over here you can see you can choose to keep your data or not. If you tap on that box, that your data will be wiped out as well. And with that being said, you can see there is the want to uninstall the app. Tap on OK, and after that WhatsApp will be uninstalled on your phone. And then guys, this is how to uninstall WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.